On March 17, 2025, the United States Air Force marked a significant milestone in its fleet modernization efforts with the successful first flight of the F-15EX fighter jet from Lot 2. This historic achievement was captured in a video shared by Boeing Defense on its official X account. The event highlights the continued advancement of the F-15EX program, which is designed to provide the U.S. Air Force with a next-generation air superiority fighter while maintaining the legacy of the long-serving F-15 platform. The F-15EX, known as the Eagle II, represents the latest iteration of the F-15 fighter family. Originally developed by McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing, in the 1970s, the F-15 has been one of the most successful air superiority fighters in history. The F-15EX builds upon this legacy, integrating state-of-the-art avionics, enhanced survivability, and an expanded weapons payload, making it a formidable multi-role combat aircraft. Designed to replace the aging F-15C divided by D models, which have been in service since the 1980s, the F-15EX provides a significant upgrade in terms of performance, operational flexibility, and technological capabilities. By incorporating an open architecture mission system, improved radar, and advanced digital cockpit displays, the F-15EX ensures long-term adaptability to evolving threats and mission requirements. The Lot 2 F-15EX continues the advancements introduced in the initial Lot 1 aircraft, further improving upon avionics, electronic warfare systems, and flight performance. Some of the key enhancements include advanced avionics and open architecture system. The F-15EX features a digital backbone that allows seamless integration of new technologies, ensuring future upgrades can be implemented efficiently without requiring major structural changes. Improved radar capabilities. The aircraft is equipped with the Raytheon and APG-82V1 radar system, which significantly enhances target detection, tracking, and engagement in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Enhanced situational awareness. The integration of the Eagle passive/active warning and survivability system, the PAWS, provides real-time threat detection, electronic warfare countermeasures, and increased survivability in contested environments. Powerful twin-engine design. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney F110 engines, the F-15EX delivers an exceptional thrust-to-weight ratio, enabling superior speed and maneuverability. The aircraft is capable of reaching a top speed of Mach 2.5, approximately 2,655 km per hour, making it one of the fastest fourth-generation fighter jets in service. Extended payload capacity. The F-15EX can carry up to 13,150 kilograms of munitions, including air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and anti-radiation missiles, making it one of the most versatile combat aircraft in the U.S. Air Force inventory. One of the defining characteristics of the F-15EX is its ability to carry an extensive range of weapons, making it suitable for diverse mission profiles. The aircraft's payload includes air-to-air combat, AIM-120 AMRAAM and AIM-9X Sidewinder missiles for long-range and short-range engagements, precision strike, joint direct attack munitions, JDAM, and small-diameter bombs, SDB, for ground target destruction, suppression of enemy air defenses, SEAD, equipped with AGM-88G Advanced Anti-Radiation Guided Missile Extended Range, AARGMER, allowing it to neutralize enemy radar and air defense systems. Hypersonic weapons compatibility. Future integration of next-generation weapons, including hypersonic missiles, ensures the F-15EX remains a cutting-edge platform for years to come. The F-15EX is designed to complement the U.S. Air Force's fifth-generation fighters, such as the F-35 Lightning II and the F-22 Raptor. While stealth platforms like the F-35 excel in penetrating highly defended airspace, the F-15EX provides superior endurance, higher payload capacity, and cost-effective air dominance in areas where stealth is not a primary requirement. By maintaining interoperability with existing Air Force assets, the F-15EX enhances mission effectiveness, allowing for a more dynamic and flexible force structure. It is also equipped with advanced data sharing systems, ensuring seamless communication and coordination with allied and joint forces during complex operations. The F-15EX development program began in response to the U.S. Air Force's need to replace its aging F-15C divided by D fleet while maintaining an affordable and highly capable fourth-generation fighter. Boeing was awarded the initial contract for 8 F-15EX aircraft in 2020, with long-term plans for a total of 144 aircraft over the coming years. The Lot 2 aircraft represents the continued evolution of the program, incorporating incremental upgrades that improve combat effectiveness and survivability. The U.S. Air Force remains committed to integrating the F-15EX into its operational framework, ensuring the fighter remains a key pillar of air dominance well into the 2040s. One of the major advantages of the F-15EX is its cost-effectiveness compared to fifth-generation fighters. The F-15EX has a significantly lower cost per flight hour than the F-35, making it a practical solution for maintaining air superiority while keeping operational expenses manageable. Additionally, the Open Mission System architecture ensures that the F-15EX can easily integrate future sensor, radar, and weapons upgrades without requiring costly overhauls. This flexibility makes it an attractive option for continued investment, providing a long-term, sustainable solution for U.S. Air Force airpower. Beyond its role in U.S. military operations, the F-15EX is also expected to attract interest from allied nations looking for a high-performance, cost-effective alternative to more expensive stealth fighters. Countries that currently operate the F-15, such as Japan, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar, may consider adopting the F-15EX as part of their future defense strategies. The aircraft's high survivability, unmatched payload, and superior range make it an ideal choice for both national defense and coalition operations. As global security threats evolve, the F-15EX will continue to serve as a reliable, battle-proven platform for missions ranging from air dominance to strategic deterrence. The successful first flight of the Lot 2 F-15EX marks a critical step in the ongoing development of one of the most advanced fourth-generation fighter aircraft in the world. With cutting-edge technology, an adaptable design, and unmatched firepower, the F-15EX Eagle II is set to play a vital role in maintaining U.S. air superiority in the coming decades. As the program moves forward with further deliveries and testing, the F-15EX will continue to reinforce the U.S. Air Force's ability to respond to emerging threats with speed, precision, and overwhelming firepower. The integration of this advanced fighter into the Air Force fleet ensures that the U.S. remains at the forefront of global air combat capability, securing its dominance in increasingly contested battle spaces. With its unmatched versatility, enhanced survivability, and next-generation warfare capabilities, the F-15EX Eagle II is poised to shape the future of aerial combat for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.